I have been waiting for Dragon Train to come here. Slot attendants here at Hard Rock are my favorite people. He said, listen, we just put this in, you gotta try it. And I said, oh my God, this is what I've been waiting for. He said, nobody really plays big, so we're gonna try. See what happens.
What are we working with?
$5 on dollars.
It looks like you have the option of the amount of lines.
So we're gonna do 10 lines, $10.
I like it. So we got a $12.50 minor, $2.50 mini.
Okay, so it goes
Oh
up.
wait, real quick.
Yeah.
Go to the other lines, see if those change. The mini and the minor. They don't. That's interesting.
It's less lines. Don't we want more lines? You're the one that always tells me we need more lines.
So when there's less lines, the line pays more, but it's harder to get. So it's a preference. But it's
so
the
maybe
same
we can...
mini and minor. That's interesting.
Let's try 5 lines.
So if you ever wanted to play $5, you still have the same chance. So is it 6 of these, I'm guessing?
Yeah, 6.
Okay. And I think it's 3 of... Once we see one. Oh. He's probably a good symbol.
He's wild, obviously.
Wild,
It doesn't pay a lot, though.
Oh, there we go.
And we're in a bonus.
Sounds like it's going to pay a bonus.
My first bonus on Dragon Train for comes in. That's $5. Let's see what we can get. This looks so much fun.
That minor.
How do you get the train to come down is my question.
Is it a symbol, I think?
Is it?
I think it's a special symbol.
It's a new game recommended by one of the slot attendants here. And I've watched a few people play it. Should have paid better attention, maybe.
Well, we'll learn it right now. First bonus.
First bonus. We got back the money we played. I like how this has multiple options of lines to play.
Yeah.
Like 3 lines, 5 lines.
Play your way.
I know, I'm just wondering.
So what are the 3 lines? It might just be 3 across.
Well, it went down
Like-
to $3.
Yeah, so then, but I'm saying it's probably 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Straight across. Wait, no, that's still paid. What the heck?
Well, no, that I went to 10.
Oh, you went back. Okay. That, I think 3 of these.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Ooh,
I feel like you're going to get a quick major.
You think so?
So, Fortune 8 Jackpot is its own thing. I believe I've seen a video of this, and there's like a gun wheel that comes in,
Oh, yes, there is
and
a
you
wheel.
have to fill the 8, something like that. Let's just get it.
Now let's check the $2 a minute and just see where that starts.
It's also 3, 5 cents.
So if we go 10, it's $20 minimum. Oh, I saw like words of something on that one.
Maybe, is it Fortune? It
Oh,
says,
right. Yeah.
something has to trigger that special.
Six. Oh, that would have been nice.
It is. I think it's a train that says Fortune. I saw it go
Okay.
by. You hear that hot stuff?
Yeah, I do.
Is that a line? 16 back?
6 numbers is what we want.
Yeah, that's it.
Fortune train,
That's it.
yeah.
So we need that and a bonus.
Yeah. It's popping by.
Get
Oh, that was
Fortune
60. That was
Oh,
a little
wow.
aggressive.
Wish it hit on 60. This is the biggest minor, 2,500.
It is. Okay.
And 500 there.
We need 3 more.
6 pack.
seems like it's tough to get.
Let's make it not tough.
I know. Oh.
Oh, went right
I
by
know, I
that
saw.
bonus.
3 more? See if my theory playing high out here in the general population.
A lot of people are playing $1 or 2, so.
Yeah. I'd love to see the bonus. Let's go back to dollars. 25. I mean, I feel like we have to play till we get a fortune.
Oh, man, that sounded
pretty.
good.
I love it. I like how that made that. Ooh. We're seeing a lot of action on the 25.
Smack. Yeah, at least tease us, make it interesting.
Ooh, yeah, we're seeing a lot of
1250 minor there.
yeah, on the 25. I think we may have to play a little more. I think we found our niche.
We'll wait, save. Let's see. Yuck.
All right, back in. Let's see what we can do here. Ooh.
What are those? Balls of gold? Gold.
All right, here we go. Let's get something here. Come on. I want to see the free spin
Yeah.
bonus.
I want to see free spins and then give a bonus to the bonus.
Can you do that, Albert?
I don't see why not. 6 pack. Oh,
That would have been so nice.
$50 bet.
Well, I was seeing if we can get it to move. Oh, it looks like it would pay high on the
Oh,
50.
I think that's fine.
That was nice. You know our theory. Sometimes you can out.
Oh my gosh.
2 more.
2.
Oh. What do you think? Keep it at 50?
$50 bonus would probably go crazy.
Seems to be hitting. Oh, it's got big numbers. It's showing the numbers more at 50.
250 min.
Here we go. Let's go back to 25, see if we can get something.
We're here early. We usually don't film early,
No, we don't.
but it's actually nice and not as crowded.
On 6. Seems very hard to get these numbers to drop. But when they do, it looks like it's going to be amazing.
Yeah, like 6 of those, 500. That's all we're asking for.
Definitely more noise on the 25 and 50.
Yeah. Come on, let's try to see the bonus.
50. Another 50.
5 lines now.
Oh, 10 lines. No, we've been on 10 lines
We're
now.
on 5 lines.
Oh, we've been
Now we're on 10.
Oh, I made a bit of it. Alright, we'll do wage saver.
Get that one. Farthest away could be. Okay?
Alright, we're on 10 cents, 50 lines, $50 for our first spin. Let's see what we got.
Alright, is the best symbol the girl?
I think. I'm not a big fan of 10 cents, but we're going to see what happens.
Something's got to change.
One more.
And there's a bone.
I thought it was coming. One more?
Oh.
Three more? Oh.
The numbers look good, but
Oh, 3 minis. I don't know. Here we go.
one more. Oh my, so that symbol
Would have done us into
is
the
what we
fortune.
need. It's like the extra bonus. Wow, 5 to start.
3 more?
There it
Oh,
is.
there we go.
On a $50 bet.
Wonder what this looks like. sign up for this, but we're on Fortune Train, and we just got a $50. It looks like we get sticky reels on 10 cents.
Oh. Miles.
All right, let's get something sticky here. Here we go. Oh, we're sticking it up. I love it. So you can get numbers in this too. Yeah, that was nothing. We need something. Oh no.
Orbs. Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Bonus in a bonus.
Bonus in a bonus. I hope we get a train.
Fortune train.
Let's get a train. Drop any orb. Save it right now. Something. Ooh, we got a save there. I want to see a train so badly. Save this right now. Ooh. Come on, can we get another one? Ooh.
Wow.
Bam, bam.
All we need now is a fortune train.
One more save the day. All right.
Alright, 1,500.
Oh, nice. We got back our money.
Last spin. Alright.
She's here.
Do you want to tell that joke?
So I said tonight we have the new Whitney Houston free poll for X cards. Oh, another free game.
$50. Wow.
And Megan says, "Oh, is she here?"
Yeah, Whitney Houston is here at Hard Rock right now.
That's what you get when you second $50 bonus, and we get sticky reels, and you can get the numbers in that. So let's see what we got. Sticky reels up. Come on, sticky reels. Ooh, nice. Oh, would have been nice if we had more of those. More sticky reels. Oh, we don't have enough. All right, come on, sticky reels. Oh, now why did we get? Oh, because two more of those.
That's good. I like it.
I like that too.
It's new.
I like it. More, oh, numbers. Numbers. Oh. That's nice. Come on, more sticky reels now. Numbers. Numbers. All numbers. Okay. Oh. Numbers. All right, come on now. All numbers. Drop those numbers. All numbers. All right. A little under hand time. How did I sign up for this? Oh.
One short. Look at that symbol. The symbol's huge. It takes up like 2 spots.
I love it. Do you think it can come down anytime?
Like in the yeah, I think it's kind of like, you know, a super grand chance. How it's great to start with it because you know you have it, but it could definitely surprise you. You know.
This 10 cents seems to be cooking.
I want to know like how rare it is though.
Let's do $20.
So it's basically it's 8 extra spots to get, you know, symbols or dollars.
Right.
But then if you fill the 8, you automatically get the 1,000.
Right.
154.
3 more?
I think Mr. Hampay hit the high limit one because this was like 10,000,
Okay.
and he filled all of them. He was betting like $100 though.
What are we on? 10 lines. Let's try that.
Oh, I thought
we're getting it.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
There we go. I wonder if there's like a random, like, the screen goes
Right.
like blurry and it drops.
And then it guarantees a dragon train.
That's what I was
That would be
thinking.
good.
I just made that up.
And
so.
choo-choos.
One more?
There we go. $50.
It likes $50.
That's crazy.
It's $50. This is like one of my new favorite games here. We just got the free games again. Sticky Wilds. In the Sticky Wilds, you can get numbers. Here we go. Here we go, 6. We want numbers. We want more of the stickies to drop so we can get numbers. All right, here we go. Stickies. Oh, it's not giving me any more stickies. Come on now, more Sticky Wilds. All right, this is not a good one this time. No Sticky Wilds. All right, well, a little something, something. Here we go. All right, guys. We're getting Megan a wristband because they keep harassing her on how old she looks. So we're getting her the security wristband that ensures that nobody will ask her again. Oh, we did a $100 spin. Don't tell anybody. Here we go. Let's do this. Can we get 6 numbers? All right, come on. 6 numbers. We're on 10 lines, $50. We need a big one. Here we go. Let's do $30. We like 30 on Dragon Cash. See what we can get here. Let's go to $2, 10 lines, 40. We're going all over the board here, see if we can get something good. One more. This is a beauty. We're doing good. We got 2 hand pays, and now we're in a bonus. We need Sticky Wilds. Come on. Oh, now we need 6 of those Sticky Wilds to drop. There we go. Keep it going. Come on, 2 more Sticky Wilds. Come on, Sticky Wilds. Here we go, another Sticky Wild. Oh, nice. Up top, we like that. Oh, come on, Dragon Train. More numbers. Numbers. Oh. Numbers. Darn. Here we go, guys. All right, we're back on $40. We just got out of the bonus. Ooh, look at that major just dropped. Let's do this. Let's get that Dragon Train. That is our goal. We'll try a $60 bet. $20 bet, we're gonna go all over it. $40 bet. Here we go. Let's get those free games again. Can we do it? We need 6 numbers and some free games. We're on 10 lines. Ooh, that Dragon Train again, I saw it. $2. $40 bet.
What are we doing over here?
We just got free games on 40.
Perfect.
All we got was 600 on that. I was a little surprised. We did get a Dragon Train to drop with 5.
Oh, with 5?
Yeah, so I moved to $2.40. Seems to be giving a little action here. Seeing a lot of numbers, a lot of Dragon Trains popping. Move back to dollars in a minute. Alright, we're gonna go 10 lines. 10 lines, 30. Let's see if we can get this cooking.
I feel like getting into the bonus and then getting 6 sticky reels.
That's what you need.
And then if you get the orbs, you got them. Or what do we call them? Gold? What is this? Gold ores?
Yeah, I like cold or...
Yeah. chunks of metal.
Ooh. There we go. Not seeing a lot of orbs on this number. Keep it going. Two more. Oh, you're
Wow.
one short there. Come on. Oh, I saw that go by. Did you see that? It flew.
Dragon jackpot.
Uh-oh.
Oh, 100?
I just had to do it.
Oh boy.
I had to do one.
I wish it
crazy.
hit.
So do I.
246.
Well, sometimes you go that high for one and then you come down and you see what happens, right?
Juices, because they're like, you know, if somebody's
Ooh.
betting 100.
I'm going to put a little more in.
Our first bonus was 10 cent though.
50 lines, $50.
Yeah, that's what you did. A max bet.
Max bet 10 cents. Let's see what happens.
And you had a tiny piece of it.
Do a few.
And that was the bonus in a bonus.
Ooh.
Oh, there you go.
That was nice, 250.
Yeah.
Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you do it? You know I'm dying to see the dragon trade.
It's gonna drop the dragon train with a major with a minor.
It would be amazing.
The most colorful board. There's the minor.
Oh, I saw it go by. 6.
There it is.
There it was.
Gotta bring your friends.
There it went.
Backer.
Oh, look at that. That would have been crazy. 3 minus, 2 minus. It does go fast though, I will tell you.
Yeah, big spins. More liners to keep it rolling. So we only got that one diamond or gold ore bonus. Like fresh, like from the start. The first one.
I don't know. I'm like obsessed to get the train, Brandon. I don't know what to do.
Well, we could always go to the beach and we can always come back here.
We could, yes.
It's up to you though.
Ooh, play wage saver.
Alright, bonus on the wage saver. We're not.
We're not. I think I'm going dollars.
1,000 back in.
We are determined to get
$50
that train bonus. Should we go $30? Let's do it. Do it now. Do it now. That's good. 111 on that. He's really good when he's wild.
Oh, look at that. So it's a 200x gold ore.
That would have been phenomenal. So we know that there's big orbs.
Yeah. Now we need to collect that.
Try 50 on dollars. 3 more.
Heart is out.
Heart is out. Let's see if we can do something. Come on, free games. Ooh, almost. Alright, this is getting a little tougher now. Did she get the train?
Gold ores. No, just a regular
Oh,
bonus.
not the train. I want to see the train.
You could just buy it.
Yeah, could we?
Buy me a train.
Wait, is this $2 would be 40? This is 40.
Yeah.
Alright, it's coming. I feel something.
Tingling.
This is it. This is all we're going to spend. Right here, guys. We've set a limit on this one. Come on.
exploring a new game though.
Oh, nice 800.
Bonus 1, 2, 3.
You got a wage saver? Why is it so skinny?
Because it's $5 out of 40.
Yeah. Alright, that's it. What should we play? Alright, here. Oops, sorry. Okay. $25. We're back in. We are determined to get that train.
Moved it to 10 cents. Where the first free spins were.
Three more.
This.
Three more?
Wow.
Ooh.
Is that 500?
Yeah. 1, 6. Oh.
They're decent. 250s. Just flying
You
around.
just gotta get one. More.
Oh. Man,
They're
that
all flying around.
That 5 T's.
Yeah.
That one's got horses and eagles.
Ooh, horses and eagles. We need the free games is what we need.
I like the free games. I'm sure you can get like all 9 with like the sticky.
It's rough. It's a little rough, I'm saying.
Seems like you can just turn off when it wants to.
Yeah, definitely. Like we were on a little bit of a roll and
I mean, you had $50 bonuses back to back to back.
yeah, and then it just stopped. And I got a $40 bonus too. Oh, that would have been a nice ending. Here we go. We're coming down to the end. It's our last spin coming up, guys. Oh, I thought it was gonna say bye in a nice way. All right.
Get that one. Nice.
All right.
$3 spin there.
Hey guys, 3 $50 bonuses on the new train game. Love it. Probably should have stopped a little sooner, but I was determined to get the train. I'm coming back for that train.